Well, for thousands of years, labyrinths have been used for meditation, prayer, contemplation, even for ceremonies. In Toddville, an artist is creating one from derecho debris as a way to mark the trees lost in the storm and as a way to provide healing. People watching the progress at the Wiki Uphill Learning Center are excited to see it all unfold. Now, unlike mazes, these take you into the center of the puzzle.
You could use this labyrinth to come out and release their stress, release their trauma, let the labyrinth take it, and let the wind blow that away from them so that they can start to heal.
On Saturday from 9 until noon, the artist will be collecting medium-sized logs to fill in the gaps, and volunteers can help complete it.
And to the story developing this evening, residents in Alabama are seeing the impact of Hurricane Delta. The community is seeing some flooding as the storm pushes ocean water inland. That, along with high tide, has people concerned, and the areas most at risk for flooding are still places reeling from Hurricane Sally. And people in Baton Rouge, Louisiana are bracing for Hurricane Delta. They're already being pounded by heavy rain. Streets in the city closed as they're flooded. People are being told to stay off the roads.
We cannot predict where the greatest risk for flash flooding will be because we don't know exactly where the rain bands will set up and cause prolonged periods of rainfall, but we do know that flash flooding and potentially some river flooding is possible as this storm moves through the state.
And right now we'll take a live look out over Baton Rouge this evening, that being downgraded to a Category 2 hurricane. Expected to hit the state late this evening, bringing with it and that is right now hitting Louisiana right now and bringing in life-threatening storm surges and ferocious winds. Residents still reeling once again from the damage made by Hurricane Laura. That battered the state back in late August.
Well, back here in Iowa, we are tracking a summer-like weekend rather than fall, but we are still seeing some beautiful color on the trees as the seasons change. Now remember, if you do have some fall pictures or videos to share with us, you can do that by going to the Facebook page. Also, you can send them to us by visiting our website, kwwl.com. And turning now to our full forecast for the weekend, here's Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg.
I'll mention that the hurricane is making landfall. The eye of the storm is now approaching the coast there of Louisiana as a Category 2 hurricane, 100 miles per hour. It's moving north-northeast at 14 miles per hour. That's the center of circulation. But the hurricane, with the heavy rain and the wind, has been there all night long and into the day today. Now the center of circulation is now just approaching the coast at 100 miles per hour with wind gusts there. Now, as for the forecast, it takes it farther to the north and into the northeast as eventually weakens, but some very heavy rain. Some places could be up around a foot of rain in through portions of Louisiana, and then a little heavier rain. We're talking a few inches, maybe 3, 4, 5 inches of rain as you head up into portions of western parts of North Carolina. Now, what's interesting about this, unfortunately, now this blue line, that is the track of what Delta is done, and this is the forecast track. This red line, this was Hurricane Laura just about 6 weeks ago. So you could see we've had two storms move on through just about the same location this year, unfortunately. Here's a nice shot of more peaceful fall colors in Edgewood. Art Johnson, thank you very much for that picture. Love the shot with the colors and the water reflection. Beautiful photo there. You can send that to us. We got more photos that we'll share. You can on our Storm Track 7 Facebook page, Twitter account, email us, or on our Storm Track 7 weather app. As for our conditions here tonight, clear, warm tomorrow, sunshine again. A nice day shaping up on Sunday, but a bit breezy. Temperatures are still going to be above normal, but not as warm as they are right now. It's 85 in Waterloo, 86 in Tama, 79 in Dubuque, 81 in Monticello. It is windy out there. Winds out of the south 15 to 25 miles per hour. That wind will diminish as we head through the evening hours. Look for about a 10, maybe 15 mile an hour wind. Eventually lighten up to about 5 or 10 late tonight, early